With 10,000 people per day migrating to the world's urban areas, cities everywhere are seeking ways to transform their increasingly congested landscapes into safer, smarter, and healthier environments. Even the world's most established cities have the chance to innovate by optimizing their utility infrastructure, like gas and energy, thanks to an Israeli technology. Known initially as the developer behind Israel's Iron Dome defense system, mPrest is applying its technology into urban infrastructures to seamlessly adapt and integrate renewable energy sources, such as wind and solar energy, into existing grids.
We are coming with a different approach to the market. We call it system of system, which means rather than specializing in one part of the problem, we integrate everything.
This year, mPrest expanded its reach into California, Europe, and Australia, adding to a list that spans New Zealand to New York, where the company has served as a catalyst for digital business transformation.
We are predicting how much demand is going to be in the utilities market. We make sure that we are filling the batteries before citizens come home, turning on their water heating. Citizens are very happy because they start selling energy. If they take a vacation, for example, their PVs can pay their vacation. Vector is happy because at the end of the day, we are going to reduce dramatically the cost of energy.
Traditional air circulation systems are based on bringing in air from outside, similar to trying to air condition your home in the summer with the windows wide open. enVerid is addressing the crisis of air quality by empowering building owners to utilize smarter and cleaner energy. This company brings a totally new approach to the table, a breakthrough in material science, eliminating the need to circulate air from the outside, saving up to 30% of cooling costs in the summer and a comparable amount in the winter.
Similar technologies that have been used in space shuttles and submarine, where you actually don't have air outside, so you have to clean the indoor air, we implemented in buildings.
enVerid has made tremendous strides not only among building owners and managers, but has even reached regulators.
ASHRAE, which is the body that regulates HVAC in the US and all over the world, has decided to change some of the codes so it will be much more compatible with enVerid technology, and in some cases will mandate to put enVerid technology in buildings.
Awarded Product of the Year at the AHR Expo, enVerid's vision was recognized as paving the way for the HVAC industry. With packed cities moving faster than ever, mobility will remain a challenge, even with the prospect of autonomous vehicles. After a century behind the wheel, skyTran is creating a new means of transportation.
The car is actually taking up a lot of physical space. And so when you remove that equation, then you can move people in a more efficient way. So you take people and you stick them into an elevated environment, and you get rid of the physical requirement of a car on a road, which there's too many, which is what's causing the traffic.
Developed at the NASA Ames Research Center, the flying cars are being built at Israel Aerospace Industries and are powered by magnetic levitation.
So we have a full-scale test system now. It's actually here in Israel. We're building now a second full-scale test system, which will be completed by middle of year, that will demonstrate the first of many vehicles on the way to commercialization.
With high passenger capacity and capability to reach speeds up to 300 miles per hour, skyTran plans to bring an end to the city traffic nightmare, running an artificial intelligence-powered network on demand with no need for schedule.
One lane of skyTran is the equivalent to 3 lanes of traffic, or highway. If you have a bidirectional guideway, so you have basically 6 traffic lanes of capacity. It's about 20,000 bidirectional on the conservative side per hour.
The futuristic SkyPad system is not science fiction. skyTran is coming to Israel's coastal city of Netanya. Can you imagine your city addressing these issues? With startups focused on urban impact, the public and private sectors can work together to build smarter, better connected, and more livable communities.